Hi everyone, I'm Jay. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how I made these delicious meatless meatballs. The full list of ingredients and measurements will be in the description box below. I've washed 100 grams of dried brown lentils and I'll let them come to a boil and then bring the heat down to a simmer until they're soft and cooked all the way through. This should take about 30 to 35 minutes. While the lentils are cooking, I'll grate 2 carrots. I've washed and picked the stems off 100 grams of baby spinach and I'll finely shred them. Next, I'll chop as finely as I can 1 red onion. To a pan, I'll heat 1 tablespoon of oil. And I'll fry the finely chopped onions till soft. I'll add the grated carrots to the pan as well. Once the carrots and onions are soft, I'll go in with the shredded baby spinach. So I'm just looking for the spinach to wilt down and any liquid to evaporate. Now I'll add a generous sprinkling of sea salt. I'll sprinkle in 1 teaspoon of ground cumin and a ½ teaspoon of ground cinnamon. In goes a ½ teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Give that all a really good stir. Next I'll go in with 2 cloves of chopped garlic and allow that to cook out for a couple of minutes. Then I'll turn the heat off and allow the mixture to cool down. Juice 1 lemon and set that to one side for now. To a bowl, I'll add 50 grams of dried breadcrumbs and 25 grams of crushed pine nuts. Now that the cooked veggies have cooled down, I'll add all of those as well. And to the mixture, I'll add the juice of 1 lemon. And I've drained the cooked lentils and I'll add those as well. And I'll spend some time combining everything together. Once I've combined everything together really well, I'm going to add 1 beaten egg. Again, I'm going to spend a good few minutes getting the beaten egg mixed in really well. I've preheated the oven to 180 Celsius and I'll shape the mixture onto a lined baking tray. Now they're all rolled, I'll bake for 25 minutes. I'm using a shop-bought tomato sauce. I'll warm that up and for some extra kick, I'll add a couple of teaspoons of Harissa paste. And after 25 minutes, the meatless meatballs are ready. The sauce is nice and hot, so it's ready to serve. And I'm going to serve this with some spaghetti. And there it is, flavour-packed lentil meatless meatballs. I hope you've enjoyed today's recipe. Drop me a comment, like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes like this. Thank you so much for watching. Take good care of yourselves and I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.